Do you really have to spend money to make money online? The truth about a successful online business. The beauty about creating an online business is that you can get started with a very low budget or no budget at all. So there and then the answer to the question, do you have to spend money to make money online, is no. However, if you don't have any startup cash, you would have to spend a lot of time to get your business off the ground. I am going to share with you how you can start from scratch and generate some seed money that you can then invest to create a successful online business for yourself. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. How to generate seed money. I call this startup capital seed money because this money will not be for your personal use but rather to invest SAO into your online business so that you can reap a more profitable reward later on. The fact is, you want to run a successful online business but you don't have any money to invest. So you need to get this money from somewhere. To earn some seed money, I recommend you do some freelancing jobs. Things you can do include writing content, graphic designing, coding, customer service, data entry, voiceovers or videos. You can sign up to websites such as iWriter.com, Rentacoder.com, Fiverr.com, Odesk.com and Elance.com for free and bid on jobs. In the initial stages you may need to offer a few free service to get some reviews on your work. Once you have some great reviews, you'll get a whole lot more jobs which will allow you to grow your seed money. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Investing your seed money to grow a successful online business. Once you have some seed money, you can start running a business in which you no longer have to offer up time for money. Doing freelance job can pay good money, but it's pretty much the same as an offline job where you get paid whenever you work. Even worse, you have to be meeting strict deadlines or else you'll have some unhappy customers that will leave some negative reviews on your services. So investing your seed money to create a more hands-free and automated business is paramount. First off, you'll need to choose a market to get into. You can do the research yourself or you can pay someone to do it from your seed money. When you find a huge profit potential, your next investment will be a domain name and hosting. If you are new to marketing, then you can also outsource the creation of your website and your sales funnel as well. Once all of that is in place, you can start driving traffic to your funnel and test and tweak as you go along. That's how you create a successful internet marketing business from scratch, even if you have no money to start with. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.